Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session we are going to see about how to install XAMPP on Ubuntu 22.04. XAMPP is a free and open source web server solution stack that includes PHP, Apache Web Server, MySQL database, and Perl. This distribution is user-friendly and streamlined, making it ideal for developers to set up a local web server for testing and deploying websites efficiently. First, I am going to check the OS version using the following command. I am using Ubuntu 22.04. We need to update our Ubuntu system using the following command. After that, go to Firefox browser. Type apachefriends.org in the web browser. It will redirect to the download page for XAMPP. Click Download option for XAMPP for Linux. Wait for some time. After downloading, go to command line interface. To go to the XAMPP file which we downloaded now, change directory using the following command. Give the executable permission for the XAMPP file using the following command. And execute the script file using the following command. After running the file, it will go to the XAMPP setup wizard. Simply click on Forward button and select these two components and click on Forward button. The default XAMPP directory is /opt/lamp. And click on Forward. Click on Launch XAMPP and click Finish. First, I am going to start Apache Web Server and click on Start button. If you have already configured Apache Web Server, click on Configure and change the port number and click OK. Apache Web Server is running. Go to browser and enter localhost. Our Apache Web Server is working fine. If you have installed MySQL Server individual, click on Configure and change configured port number and click OK. If not, start it directly. I am going to access phpMyAdmin, it's working. Go to the default XAMPP directory using the following command. Change to htdocs directory using the following command. Make new directory inside htdocs using the following command. Change to MySite directory we have created just now, using the following command. Edit index.php using the following command. Press I to insert and add the following lines and press escape WQ to exit. Go to browser and enter localhost/mysite which we have created. It's working fine like this. We can create local web server for testing and deployment purposes using XAMPP. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.